people the way they go dig die body for that side, so for Fumban, they don't catch them for inside Douala here country people them, they will carry the bone them for that person for cancel and for this side, according to Toriwe enter for here. They once said that bone them for diamond for 12 million, where they buy them for 200,000. Commandant for that side, so for research for Dogbat, where they call it say Oga Betty, na SSF catch the people them. We go talk that chapter for this afternoon. Palava cocaine, palava this strong cigar, where they smoke and two. We go talk that chapter 2 for this afternoon. Sabi, you please Sabi again. That woman, Dan Gonde the way they so they be shooty. Now for on top for that side, so for a dado, for a bridge. When I own come be say they call and say take me be shoot am. Now today so when they command the body, they give last respect for inside Mbopi place before they carry and go for that place, for place where they get for go bury them. Country people them, all this story then so plus other one we go try for talk am this afternoon for this side, so for Equinox Story House. Sabi say even Toriwe newspaper they take talk, we go try for Hamaram. For this side, big part talk for this afternoon, they try for tell we say waiting. Say plenty start them, they dey for up, but no be na all the common light. Plenty start them, they dey for up, but no be na all the common light. Big thank you for you, Baobab, for that side, so for Boya. I'll be turn back small time. We want to say big good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una na the last one this for the week. For today, we will return for Giunam. Tori for this afternoon, we go begin an out chapter for school. We go take una go for some place for West region. Now for inside the country here, we show now this school where they call them say Sumbanjun. Now government primary school for that side, so for Sumbanjun, country people them. Now for they will go start Tori for this afternoon for talk chapter waiting. Condition where school picking them they take lane now for inside that big hall one at the see and so when mommy them and picking them they did then as well they don't divide the house now where they picking they take lane so for inside it means say for inside one house now where this small picking them they did trouble for land book for be with future leader them as well they ever talk and inside this chapter people them for that side they did beg ngomnam say may they try sorry this picking them where they did learn for some kind of war condition. Inside one house, now where they did learn all things, on the people them, so they did beg men governor try for do something. Sabi said this school, now governor school, and a day for that side, so for Sumbanjun, now for West region. Inside one hall, they don't divide the hall plenty, for say me they try for TG picking them. Condition for them for the picking them, it was war, and now so to teacher the way they did look at this small picking them, now so to them too they did go for hospital all time for sicker waiting. Sicker plenty noise where they did get them for this small picking them where they did for that side. So when the people then a big waiting, big shame, big trouble for this palaver for school. We go turn back for this suffer for Watam for that side, so for Kumbu for Kevin as well una be take care them Kumbu people them as well they take talk for see water where they come up for Otap now so na big trouble now for sika waiting water a time it don't reach for go na dry season for that side, so for Kumbu so the only place where they defeat for carry water now for this pipe on the sea and so where people they can turn so for carry water. Sabi say water for that side dirty except for corner place where they carry water now all the kind of thing then so where the worry people them for that side for Kumbu but Sabi to say someone they come for can carry water for that side so they can carry water now so to someone they can wash clothes for corner place where they carry water so all the one then so it make people them for Kumbu they don't they ask na BB question and they beg one day where they like plenty dirty say make they no dirty the place where they carry water. Sabi say when dry season don't cancel all that people then so for that village for inside Kumbu they come carry water now only for one place. Thing where the worry the people them plenty na palava for waiting, palava for dirty where it the overflow for the years, palava dirty where they them and these people they cry for sika say dirty enough fit dey for corner side where they carry water dirty e no fit dey for corner side wey dem dey carry water. So all the one dem so e dey make dem ask question whether dem dey can carry na water or dem dey can carry na dirty. Una dey see am no, dirty for corner place wey dem dey carry water. This one e dey show say dem sef the dirty, dem no fit dey carry water wey dirty e flop so, and people dem sef dem no dey left this dirty for comot for there. How you fit dey carry water for place wey dem dey throway dirty? Make una see am. How you go manage carry water for place wey dirty e dey so plenty. That one no be na hygiene again. That one na dirty sef. You wey dey carry water, you dey drink na which kind of water? See that bucket, see side wey dirty dey. All that one dem so na im wey people dem for that side dey beg to say if they get place wey they fit turn carry water when dry season don come, make other people dem no can throw away dirty for that their place. Make we hear wetin wey some mami for Kombo sides e take tell we palava this water.
So na water wey we dey use am, even the whole Kombo or the whole community they dey use water all the time. But the problem na say as we dey use water so for dry season around February, March, crowd population they dey overflow for here since water no dey go for the other communities. So as they come so plenty people, they do over 5 to carry the water, and it is very difficult for other people there. Even small people they will carry water that time. And then other people then when they come from far distance, they give for waste enough time for you, like 3, 4, 5 hours before they go to carry the water for go. And then the water to the place, the area where the water they will not be very conducive, because all man get for stand up for one line before they 50 carry the water, put them for their gallon between the go. People they like small picking them. They get for the fight, or since they don't get chance of fight, get the water fast, they get for delay the whole time. Hunger go the whole day to carry only water.
Yes, na mami that for that side from there, for side for Kombo, in the talk chapter for water. We be send with microphone, Chisom, he be sending microphone too for people them for that side where they carry that water. Make we hear it where they take talk.
Because now water we will have all for years and all man know, and usually now most people they when they talk to me they come to this place, they know they come the way not be fine so because now water we will help you like dry season when taps they know they come out. All people them say they carry water now for year. My advice was to them for them I say when they can they could carry them go far from the stream where they carry them before they wash their place. Because it's not fine for the carry water when they do then they do wash clothes for them.
Even the place where they carry water, there is sooner dead for them. Let's know they were person they come they carry water. Then we want come you see where there is sooner dead for them. Road not see there. All road don't collapse. All you not see there. See water. That them don't go off. But they not see they will do the carry. See now the only water for manage.
Yes, so now people them that for that side, so for Mve, for side for Kombo, Palava for Watam. We go let that chapter enter for Douala here. We talk this Palava land. We sabi say for inside the week. We be talk Palava these people them for that side. So for Esenge, where they so they be chakada the land. Where they say na people them for port, they can't chakada the land. For Sika say they want use the land. Tori we be enter for we here for this morning time. He talk how we all these people them they be go for that side for Oga Governor office. For that side so for Bonanjo, for go meet up Samuel Jodene Jibuam, for try for talk from Governor Sewetin, as well they drive them come up for land, they no get place or go shidon, according to Toriwe enter for the EM, the people they be go for there with their mattress, and all things say they be one sleep for Governor office, make Governor try for give them solution for this their problem, but Sabi say as we Equinox story house with them, we go so continue for try for see, as we will go get image, for this Palava we take pass for that side for Governor office for this early morning time as well people they be chakala their house them for a single side they be go meet up Oga Governor for talk for his waiting Papa Governor find we place or be or make the find we side way we fish done after we the chakala come out all what in them for side for a singing. We left chapter for that land we go talk back for that side so from Bangam for talk chapter for this state people then with this also talk Sabi say Palava thief, he know the ever finish. people them for that side, so for a brigade for gendarmerie from Banga side, when a big commander where they clearly say Esaga Bonaventure, he be put hand for 4 people them for that side, so for Bangam, where he did so some them, now one day they smoke Bangam, another one na person where they say Banga, and another one na person where they so is sabi for thief and fine, when na person for thief. Now all the things that way they don't the thief and even the war sigam where they get that one then na mutumbu thing the way someone man be thief for inside church for that side, so from Bangam. Then we even get closer for Kamamburu where they take Tifan for that side. So now big commander that's Esaga Bonaventure and the Osese way a come for can see the people there they show for outside. One of the person nine that now the thing in that you get tar, you get cocaine, and you get current Bangam where it is so they be take cash and for that side, so from Banga yesterday. Now for Palava for insecurity for inside Bangam, Bango Sengen a 28-year woman where it is so the cashy where it said that tron thing the way they smoke am. Another person too where the cash will be the smoke and Jenkam Dongmom where it says the cash away the smoke and Bangam. Another person 22-year-old Tayan Japam, he too it be the smoke Banga. Then Eto Francois 38, he too it be the social smoke na Banga. They get one person where own case na palava for thief. He own thief a pass level. Even PhD says uno go sabi way to figure for his own title. So now all the thing and that way one man a thief and even Banga way it take smoke and make we try for now for Bonduma side him for Boyam palava this ngondere way they so they be anaki yesterday for Bonduma side they so they take die 17-year-old Pekin where they call it say Suzanne according to way to take him. Now his own boy says in Nakan so they take that. Yes, 17-year-old Pekin for that side, so for Bonduma for Boyam where a boy in Nakam he die after we waiting. He see inside a tiny message where they talk say I love you. When they ask and say who side this I love you come out, quarrel it happen. The boy says it taken. Not this girl where it make can we stay for inside this boy. Now so they get to it take die. 17-year-old Pekin for inside Boya. So palava for investigate. It don't start happen for us where this girl it take die. We left chapter for that now, so we take una, we talk palava waka for this stranger them where they come up for Confederation for African Dambas. Sabi say they call them say CAF. They don't finish their waka for that side, so for Boya, country people them, they don't finish their waka for Boya and for Limbe. Now so, Sabi say that people them, according to where to enter for EN normal, they be there for day for that side, so where they call them say Yawende for CAF Excellence Center. Now for them, they go Shidon for start do the work, all the do all their small dongamen them, as well this their waka for Cameroon, first round for waka, it take happen. Sabi say for that side for Boya and for Limbe, just like for Douala here, they be tonton see a feed them where people they get for Nang Damba and one day they go train on top and even hotel them where it get for happen. So they don't turn for Yaoundé now, so they day for Yaoundé for CAF Excellence Center. Waka it go surely finish tomorrow. They go turn back, then they turn back again for Cameroon after 3 months. That one the number 2 waka now for can see as we work for all the places where they be tonton see it don't happen. Sabi say all places them where they go. They look field, they look even hotel them, look even waiting, even airport. So now the 3 things and that where the CAF people them where they enter for inside Cameroon, they take Duam. So after the Jawaka, 3 months after, they go turn back again for Cameroon. This time when they turn back, they go try for see as we wrote them for Cameroon the day and even waspi to them, how waspi to them day. So now they can't work then that they can do when they turn back for number 2 time for inside Cameroon. Now after 3 months, they go turn back. Douala, crazy people they plenty, but they no worry this stranger they come for country. For that side for Limbe, crazy people then to they be there, Boya, crazy people then to they be them. They be worry people they come for can look as we Cameroon they prepare. Make we enter for this chapter for crazy people them for inside Limbe side. Now one that where they cash away if you want worry the people then for CAF. Police they put it for under chair. Yes, they put it for under chair. They talk say as well decrease. They go leave it for inside that place so they finish do their work. So they put it for inside that chair. Yes, they put it for inside. They shit down on top. They put it for under chair. Crazy man. No man I say na normal man way he hurt a correct self. See now under chair that way they so put it so they carry it go for Limbe. under chair na where they hide that Christmas. You see, no Christmas. No na say na person wey sense they find. They put am for under chair. They say make that change that they finish work before they go levy again. He continue for a Chris. But for time where that put the work, you know the other one it be it's dance na Mutumbu. Yes. Now the other Christmas this it be the dance na dance as well the welcome calf people the wala. Yes. It be the dance na dance. So now for tell we say the Chris people them say they be sabi say stranger. They be the enter for inside town for Boya. So now so we take see country, but we be talk for now. Say palava thief, palava people there they get mind. Make we take una go for gendarmerie place for that side. So for Dogbat, research gendarmerie side. Now for the way they so the people them they don't put hand for some two boy them. One now one way they talk say they like say go dig thy body for inside graveyard. Another one na Ikombi, yes, na gendarmerie that for that side. So from Dogbat research place that one. Now one the way they make investigate plenty, then they know the overtalk plenty. Now the die body then that, now the die body that way they so they see you see now the scarlet in that for diamond where they don't go dig am. All no not even only the hate. Now all the skeleton for diamond, and according to which way they tell him, if he dey like say na woman own, na woman a skeleton where they go dig am. Now for that side so for Fumban where it dey so they comot the one. Person where they so they cash and with it in na some a boy where the cash will go come back and show na the face na just for the show now the gendarmerie place where they so they catch this boy them they catch the boy na then two then that no try for go close for see this people commandant Betty Sesep e be there for day for catch one them na the two boy then that where it they so they catch them with the dead die body. Yes, make we go close more for try for see their name them. You get one in name na Suleiman Aliu, he get na only 20 years. Now when they talk say they like say he dig that die body for inside graveyard, then he come be way help for fine person wey go buy am. Now it is Ayanju Silomanu is a 19-year-old pikin. Now then to then that way they so he help for do that work. So the one way they cash it with the bone them, he say he buy am na 200,000. Yes, he buy the bone them 200,000 for so another he come be. He be one cancel am for Douala year for 12 million. Yes. He buy am for 200,000. He one cancel am now for 12 million for inside Douala year. As well he be get so a customer where he be one buy that die body. Now the bond then that as soon as the taxi and so where he dey so they take cash them for that side. So now so they go take them go for court. After that one they go surely send them for Ngata. Another thing where that research gendarmerie when na for investigate they see now this palava for heart cigar, this cigar way strong, banger, and even they see them for banger and then that way it dey so some one man way they be don't put am from Gata. Then he come out for Sika the same thing. He don't come back again for can do the business. You see no? So some banger way the cash and then the one way they for inside bottle. Now one way it dey so now that seed from banger way it dey so he the seller for outside make they go planter. Even the night they all then they see and so before gendarme people they want enter for house as well they talk with family people then for outside the man said he take run. So they make investigate for taxi as well they go catch that man where he be don't be from Gata for Sikam Banga but he don't come out he never so stop for say the Banga as well they take care with for that side so for gendarme place just for sabi say na commander for they calling a commander Betty na SSF and Lamboy them they make that investigate for do all that cashing. So we go come back for that image for one. I will come back for day for Monday and we go left Commandant SSF, Commandant Betty for top. Now so another chapter for this afternoon we unabisabi the tori will be passed for inside Douala here for December moon that a gendarme woman when another gendarme man he kill him for that side so for the dome. Now today so where they talk for them bye bye. Yes, now today where they talk for that woman bye bye. They be there then two people them for that side so from Bobby where they be talk for them bye bye today and even big commandant for all the whole place colonel he be there for taxi as well this bye bye occasion it take happen for side from Bobby. One of the person where una see and so na two die body the way they did them. One na Shu Emmanuel, another one na adjutant Shu Emmanuel where says he died for some kind condition. suspension where people they no understand fine. Another person na woman some gondere where they call it say Dudu Lima Elizabeth. That one na own combi where they call and say Takem. He shoot him for that side, so for wrong point they do. Then after he go kill his own girlfriend. So now the people then that way today, so for that side from Bobby side, they be tell them Asia, they be tell them bye bye. Sabi say gendarme man, you know if he die then he just go. So they be talk for them bye bye. So today as soon as the taxi and so on, one na adjutant where they call it say Shu Emmanuel. Another one na Dudu Lima Elizabeth na gendarme major where he dey so they die. One the woman as so don't talk. Na his own gendarme friends say they call and say Takem. He take gun. He finish with it. So now the continent that now so we take sick country for this afternoon. Make we enter for Toriwe newspaper. Then say they take talk. Country people them Toriwe newspaper they take talk. Enter for the Guardian Post where it dey for outside today. Guardian Post. If they try for terrorism government, it don't talk say may they make investigate, may they ask question for principal and vice principal for that government school for Malende where they give them by force pension after where they come out big lie say Ambazonia army they dey for outside. So for inside the Guardian Post where they for outside, they try for tell we say man way he kill a woman for Olembe, he know the work na for Sonara. Then another story too, they try for tell we say Katu where na Cameroon Teachers Trade Union, he dey talk say waiting, he dey try for fight with people them, principal them for school, say may they take see as way they go pay teacher them money, sabi say for long school they know they happen for that side for Norwest, Southwest, for Sika de Pungu where they happen and teacher them, they never chop no nothing. We go come out for the Guardian Post, we enter for inside the post weekend away there for outside. The post weekend away there for outside try for tell we say Nigerian policeman, he don't talk why we waiting make them they cash big people them, head boy them for Ambazonia. So for inside the post weekend they try for tell we as when governor is send back internet for that side so for Southwest, as well they hear say stranger people them for CAF they enter for inside country. Now so to the tell we Tori for Palava principal the way they give them by force pension for Sika say they make big pom say Palava and Ambazonia army them. Other Tori the day we nuna figure enter for inside for take read them in the proper. Nouvelle Expression say we dey for outside today. He try for Terry Palava for that side for Norwest and inside politic Frundi. They talk say na one man where they waiting plenty for inside the small vote we get for happen for inside SDF. Other Tori the day we na feel read them for that side so for Nouvelle Expression as well they take Terry Palava this we country boy where they call it say Joel Embiid na person where the knack basketball for United States for America Donald Trump country. They say na one man where they so all money high e dey for top for Sika say he sabi for knack basketball fine. Nouvelle Expression get other small to read them. Now for you for enter for inside for read wait dey for inside. Waiting messager wey dey for outside for today take talk for we. Messager e dey try for tell we say waiting Marafa Amidou Yaya he don't talk again. Marafa Amidou Yaya he don't talk again. Waiting Marafa Amidou Yaya comot the time around for talk. Nouvelle le messager wey dey for outside he get answer for that one. Now so today they try for tell we Palava this die for Olembe. They say person wey he kill that man no be na Sonara person as so they take talk for we. So other Tori the day wey le messager he carry enter for inside you go try for sabi all the other strong number them. Last story we will enter for inside today they call them na mutation e carry we e go na for that side for far north for tell we say true mala e no dey for that side so for far north as well people them for far north they suffer. They say na team for PM but nothing way it dey happen for true waiting mutation e talk for this Palava chop way no dey for that side for far north. Now for you for enter for inside for sabi and plenty and other to read them wey mutation e take carry am today. Country people them now so we take see country for this week. We want to say big thank you for all people that will join hand for say make Tori it happen fine with this salute all we cameraman them. Derek Jato you there for that side for Boya Ogalai you there for Kumba side and I know they forget you. Jackie Nomulum you there for that side for Loom and Kupe Maningu Banai they look at other sides. Jenny Edmond and Stella thank you plenty. Norwest people them and we need to forget you even Chisom Kini for that side so for inside Kumbu we on the hell for image for Douala here. I know if you talk thank you plenty I go talk thank you plenty sir for Steve Ebule, Chief Robert Mukube and even you Claude Ukwam. aka Ashtesi Ona the help we. PG News debate day for Saturday 12:30 so ten knock for 1:30. Make una remain fine, una hold am tight.